Hi, this is Hadas from Canva and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I created this YouTube thumbnail in just a few minutes. If you'd like to use this YouTube thumbnail and adjust it for your own needs, you can find this exact template in the comment below free of charge. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, to start with, we are just going to search for a YouTube thumbnail. You have a lot of wonderful options, but we're going to start from scratch. So I'm just going to click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and here is my template. Let's just name this, and let's see what we need to do. Well, we have 4 things that we need to do: add a background, add some text, add a photo, and an element. So let's start with the background. I'm just going to go to Elements and click for Background. Now in this case, what I've used was a vertical background, but don't be intimidated by the size. Although it is vertical, you can always drag and drop it into a 16:9 template. So here's my background. As you can see, vertical, click on that, drag and drop, and boom, you have it 16:9. Now let's find an element that can be a suitable background for our text to put right here on the left side of our thumbnail. Let's go back to Elements and search for a blob. If you've never searched for Blob, this is your next best friend. So I just picked this free blob. Don't worry about it being green or small. Just put it right here in the corner and stretch it. Let's move it aside and change its color to our pink. If you're not sure which exact pink you need to use, just click on this plus and pick a color from the design. Let's go with this kind of pink. Great. Now you can always move it around if you need some more space for your text. Now let's look for our guy that was on the right. So now I'm going to search for a man, and I'm going to filter this to cutouts only. So if you don't have a pro account, you want to use this to have some transparent images, and if you do have a pro account, you can just use any image and then go to the background remover. And if you'd like to try out Canva Pro, I am more than happy to give you 45 days for free to try out the Pro subscription, no strings attached. You can scan this QR code or click on the link below. Wow. So I'm going to apply filters, and I'm going to search for my cutout man. Now I would like something that has to do with money or calculating something. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the right one. How about I add the word nerd? Not that I'm implementing in any way that accounting is for nerds only. On the contrary. And here's my guy. And actually, he is a pro image. So if you want to use only free images, you can look at any of these guys up here that don't have this little crown. And I'd like to add some pizzazz to him. So I really like merging photos with elements. So let's go back to Elements and look for Scribble. Have you ever used Scribble before? I love this search word. So here I can just filter this to graphics only. So I really like this one, but I want to cut this in half. So I'm just going to go to crop and cut it in the middle. Click on done. And then I can add this right above his head. Right above his head, something like this. Now let's add our text. So I'm just going to go and open up a text box, and I'm going to type 5 tips that will save you money. There you go. Now I'm just going to break this to, let's say, 4 rows, and I will like using the font named Anton. Pick this one. Let's align this to the left and stretch it. Now I'm going to break this through so it will be something like this. Let's set the line spacing a bit, have it like this, and maybe even stretch it even more. Now if you would like to highlight the word money, you can either just mark the word money and change that color, see, like that, or you can leave it all black and then go back to Elements again, and this time search for brush. And here you get this highlighter brush that you can put right behind the word money and maybe change its color to this green, the same as the calculator. So I'm just going to color dropper, and I'm going to pick this exact green. And that's it. You have your YouTube thumbnail in just a few minutes work. All you need to remember is a really nice background, some nice elements, not too many, a photo, and some text. You can always add some more arrows or stickers or do whatever you like to do. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to click on the link below to get this template for free. And don't forget to subscribe because I will be uploading many more videos. So until the next time, bye.